You're a major international coffee chain, and you want to use WordPress to help folks find your individual stores. Within your WordPress site, each store corresponds to an individual blog post. The first step to creating your store finder is going to be to go and download the PlaceLink plugin. Simply type PlaceLink into the search box. It'll be the first thing you find. Once you've downloaded it, make sure it's active. Let's go back and take a look at those individual posts. You'll see there's a new box that appears below the post that says PlaceLink and has Add Place. When you click it the first time, you'll be asked to connect with PlaceLink. I've got an account, so I'm just going to go ahead and sign in. Upon signing in, you'll have to connect your blog to PlaceLink so we can actually tag locations. Once you've done that, you'll see something like the following. You can now type in the location you're looking for. In this case, we're going to type in Starbucks coffee, and because there's so many of them, just give it the address to help narrow it down. Once I've found the one I'm looking for, I can click it and I'll see a preview of the actual place. Note that where it used to say Add Place, now it says Starbucks Coffee Co., and you can see the little map. If you load that blog post, you'll now see a footer just below the article. It includes a map and confirms to us that the place has been properly tagged. So now let's create the actual store finder. Under Pages, you'll see there's a new one called Map that was created by PlaceLink. It's a widget that contains a map, but let's go ahead and rename it as Store Finder to make it a little more understandable for our consumers. If you reload the home page, you'll see there's now a section called Store Finder. Clicking that is going to load a map of all the different Starbucks locations, and if you click the Nearby button, it'll take you to the user's current location, which for me just happens to be near those two locations that we already had as blog posts. You can see the little blue dot that's me, each of the posts, and when you click on them, it opens the post in a new window. Simple, easy, and we're done. What about mobile? Well, let's load this up in the iPhone simulator. Let's go to the store finder, and you'll see that the map does exactly what we want it to do. It takes up the full page, asks for our current location, and shows us again those two nearby stores. Couldn't be easier to add a mobile store finder.